everyone, we are IoT Diagnostics, and we are excited to be joining you at this year's FPTC. I'm Jeremy Drury, Vice President.
And I'm Will Tudoroff, the Director of IoT Reliability.
And we're going to be showing you this awesome piece of technology that we're going to be bringing to your show floor to show you exactly how to get into this world practically with IoT. Why have we built this, and why are we bringing this to a conference? Well, we've been in the IoT space for the last few years, and we have found that it's still very difficult to find specific, practical, plug-and-play type IoT solutions, especially inside of fluid power. So as a company, what we focus on is providing solutions exactly like that. So we're going beyond just cloud interfaces and platform enablement and all of that, and we're trying to bring things down to actual problems that you're facing on the shop floor. So we're looking at pumps, motors, fluids, filters, and we're trying to bring all that together in one nice package to show you specifically how all this works together. So as we bring this to your show stage, we are going to be looking at real time for you things like pump health, different factors of a pump's health, its efficiency, its flow, its pressure. We're also looking at a filter, your filtration practice. Is it as efficient as it can be? How many days of useful life is still remaining on a said filter? And then we all know how important your fluid quality is. So we're going to be bringing you how to monitor your fluid quality properly, everything from clean, cool, and dry, all the way up to dielectrics, metals, and even to the point where we have IoT solutions that we're going to show you about how to eliminate varnish and particles out of your fluid, which is really, really cool. In addition to those type of solutions, we're also going to be looking at how to use more cost-effective gateway type of technology. So how can we bring in additional surrounding environmental information that impacts our fluid power practices? Things like energy, differential temperatures in our power units and test stands, different types of flows and pressures, humidity, anything that has an impact, we can start to bring that in very cost effectively and very practically to give you measured change immediately inside of your operations. And we haven't stopped there. So we were born out of fluid power, but as we continue to get in this space and understand there's a lot of impact with lubrication analysis and all of that, we felt that that sold the narrative short, because we know there's a whole world of vibration analysis out there as well that oftentimes competes with the lubrication world of who can actually solve the problem first. Well, we've decided to go head to head with that, so we actually brought in a vibration expert, and I'll let Will tell you a little bit more about how we're adding vibration into this system as well.
Well, so many of the pieces of equipment at a plant are rotating, and because of that, they're going to vibrate. They're going to vibrate in very specific patterns when there's a problem. So while traditional oil analysis may tell us things about the health of the bearing, traditional vibration analysis can go even a further step, looking for problems such as misalignment, unbalance, looseness, but then also being able to detect the bearing wear and the bearing faults that eventually kill your rotating equipment. So when you combine the two, when you take the fluid analysis and you take the vibration analysis and put them together, you get a much better picture of the true equipment health or the true system health. So now we take all that wonderful data we're gathering, put it into actionable information in this IoT world, and that's what we're doing here at IoT Diagnostics.
Yeah, thanks, Will. So to bring this back in summary, we're bringing you all sorts of cool tools and things to play around with real time and experience different failure modes at the show. And we're not stopping there. Of the things that I showed you, we're hoping to bring in a couple of extra solutions that are going to be added to this just for your experience at FPTC. So all that's coming together. You're going to have things. You're going to have the internet, and we're actually going to show you how to bring all this together to provide impact immediately that you can deploy for the rest of this year as you get into next year looking at IoT. We're going to be super excited to be there, and we can't wait to have a conversation with you at our booth. Please stop by.